Okay. Welcome back to our class, chi-square and non-parametric test. But we are going to concentrate on chi-square. Yeah. So in this chapter, we will learn about the chi-square test for the contingency table and also for the chi-square test. Yeah. This slide, I just want to show you. I will go to my book straight away, but I want to show you something. Alright, for example, here is the table, okay, 2 contingency table, 2 times 2 table. Alright, so this is the example. Okay, this is an example. So means that you have 300, meaning that you have the female, right? So you add up this 120 and so on. Just want to show you something. Later on, we go to the books, then you can have a clearer picture. Alright. So what I want to show you is this one. Because I found that most of you, you didn't draw. Alright, you just write only for your ANOVA. Okay, I say if you want to draw ANOVA, also the same, something like this. Alright, so this is the chi-square lah. So when we come to this chi-square, yeah, okay, chi-square. Okay, today I at home. Faculty internet very bad. Yesterday I was there, and then when the things disconnect, and up and down, and I think it's really consume a lot of time. Okay, wait, I'm fixing my this one. Done. Okay. So you can see that here. What I want to highlight is the step 5. Yeah, step 5. Okay. This is the step 5. This is the when it comes to the chi distribution. This is called chi distribution. So chi distribution will start with 0, and then it got the skew to the right. Skew to the right. Okay. So we're talking about the alpha. Let's say that the alpha is 5%, 0.05. So meaning that we're going to see this one for what? Critical value. Okay, it's called critical value. Okay. So this is the thing that if the our chi-square calculated is bigger than our chi-square critical value, this is the critical value, then reject H0. Okay, if we fall in this one, mean that they fall into the rejection region of H0. Yeah, so we will reject H0. All right. Basically, how to calculate this thing? Okay, how to calculate this one? We want to calculate is the remember we want to hit this one. Yeah, we want to hit the test statistics. Yeah, we want to hit the test statistics. So to hit the test statistics is alright. So just for example when we come to my books, there will be more clearer lah. Okay, this one. Alright, this one is the score. The P. Yeah, the P. This is the P. Okay, tepi kali tepi. Tepi kali tepi. Okay, bahagi jumlah. Bahagi jumlah. So you'll get this figure. Okay, so this figure, how to get it? Tepi kali tepi, 120 kali 268. Tepi kali tepi, 264. Bahagi 300. Then you will get this number. Okay, for this number, we write tepi kali tepi 180 kali dengan 36 kali dengan 300. Yeah. So you will get this figure lah. Get this figure. Alright. Basically, that's all I want to. I would like to. This is a chi-square. This is the chi-square formula. Okay. Basically, this is the thing that I would like to highlight here lah. Following, I would like to share my books. Okay. This is the slide. Okay, I will put, I put on the Ulen slide. Yeah. So now stop sharing. So now we are going for the books. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chi-square is a non-parametric test. Yeah. Chi-square is the non-parametric. Okay. Okay. Chi-square is the non-parametric. Okay. Parametric. Okay. Parametric. Remember, before this we learned parametric. Parametric. We learn about parameter. Remember, the parameter we learn for this is what? To represent the population. Okay, populations. So what are the parameter? The parameter is what? Mean. Okay, mean sigma square. Okay, all this is a parameter. Okay, the characteristics for the population. This one is non-parametric. When you talk about non-parametrics, we say that non is don't have. So mean that it's not about mean. It's not about standard deviation. It's not about the variance because it's a non-parametric. Yeah. So meaning that it's more to the frequency and also the probability. Yeah. All right. So now is the you can see the chi-square. Okay. And then okay, observation, harapan, expected, okay, categories, rejection region, chi-square goodness of fit, homogeneous test, uniform test. Okay, these two same lah, right? Homogeneous or uniform test, and then contingency analysis. Meaning that in this chi-square itself, we are going to learn about two main subtopic. Yeah, two main subtopic. One is called goodness of fit, and the other one is called the contingency analysis. Goodness of it itself, there are so many subcategory, another subcategories. You are going to concentrate on the uniform distributions. You have others, binomial, normal, Poisson. We are not going to go into that depth lah. Alright, so you will be concentrate in the uniform or the homogeneous test. Uniform or the homogeneous. Homogeneous meaning that same lah, homogeneous. Homogeneous. Homogeneous is called is the same, sama. Okay. Another one we're going to learn is a contingency analysis. Okay, the use of the goodness of fit test is to help to decide the type of distributions for the sample populations. Meaning that you want to decide for the type of distribution. As I say that, we are learning what? Uniform, homogeneous. Alright, we want to see what? For example, is a also got the well-built test. A lot, yeah, a lot. Okay, many lah. There are many tests, so you are concentrate here. All right. So Poisson distribution, binary distribution, normal distribution, uniform distribution is among that can be tested through the hypothesis. Okay, but we are concentrating here. Yeah, we are concentrating here. Okay, next. Formula for test statistics. Here is the one. Yeah, observations minus the expectation. This is the expectation. Observations minus the expectations divided by the expectation. Right? So actually we are calculating the this one is for the test statistics. Alright. So meaning that if I say that when we have this type of formula, normally we'll draw the what? Okay, we'll draw the table to help us. So OI, so meaning that we have one the OI observation. Okay, you got the EI, so you must have the I expected value. Okay, so next is what? Next is what? OI minus EI. So OI minus EI. Okay, if you want, we can have another one. OI minus EI square. Okay, EOI minus EI square. Alright, or here, you directly, this one, you have that one also can. Yeah, so OI minus EI. So following is what? EI square. So meaning that you have another column behind. Another column behind is what? Is the OI minus EI squared divided by EI. So meaning that you got one column, two columns, three columns, four columns, five columns. So when you come to this one, so up to here will be the total, right? So the total will become what? Total of this one. OI minus, sorry, formula. Huh? So it will be the, O, will be the OI minus EI square divided by EI. So this one will be your test statistics. Okay, your test statistics. Okay, so that easy, right? So now we must know how to learn our to because of OI is the observation, meaning that the question will give you. B is our daily life. Okay, this one is our daily life. Meaning that when you come out to work, so this one you will see from your data. Okay, this one is the data that you will receive or in your daily collection. Okay, so this is the OI. So meaning that if you want to know the scenario of or the answer or you want to do the decision, then you have to do the calculation for the EI. Following all this is the come together lah. All right. So this one is about the theory, but there have some software to solve it. Yeah. So basically that you get you need to do to get the EI lah. So what does the EI means? Okay. The EI is the expected frequency, meaning that the total of the OI, okay, the total of OI divided by the N. Bilangan, number, bilangan. Okay, so you will get the expected. For example, let's say that you have 1,000, your sales is 1,000 ringgit for 1 week, for 5 days. Okay, your sales is 5,000 ringgit for what? For 5 days. For 5 days. So your expected value for 1 day is how much? So that will be the total of sales. Total of sales. Okay, total of sales. So it's a 1,000. Okay, this is the total OI lah. Okay, divided how many days? 5. So your expected 1 day your sales profit is 200 ringgit Malaysia, for example. This being by the expected. Okay, jangkaan. Right, jangkaan. Expected is the jangkaan lah. So you jangkaan sahaja. Jangkaan. Okay, hands-on class practice 1. So let's say that the total number of hotel guests in the month of August 2019 for the 5 stars hotel in Malacca are shown in the below table. Satria, Kasturi, Kalisa, Surya, Saroja. This is a hotel that in Malacca. So the total number of guests that arrived, right? For Satria is this many, this number of the guests stay in the hotel. Okay, determine. All right, so determine. Okay, determine. The hotel guests. Okay, the hotel guests from the 5 star are uniformly distributed. This is the keyword. Uniformly at 5%, 5% significant level. Okay, what can you conclude from your result? So they say it's the uniform distributed, All right. In this case, we know that okay, then this question itself is a chi-square question. Chi-square, yeah, chi-square questions. So you are able to identify the question already. Next, we're talking about the uniform. Okay, because of as I say, in the chi-square, we are going to learn two. One is the goodness of it. Okay, one is the goodness of it, another one is the contingency table. So now we are here, meaning that we are doing the goodness of fit. We want to test whether the distribution is a not uniform. It's a uniform distribution. So now if you want to this one uniform, meaning that okay, meaning that the thing if you're uniform, meaning that all the guests arrive, okay, all the guests stay in this five of hotel should be the same, right? So what we're going to do is we add it up. This add this one, all right? Okay, we add up all the number of guests. Okay, okay, we add up all the number of guests. Okay, number, right? Here. When we add up all the number of guests, we know that is the total number of guests is the yeah 2225. Right? So this is the total number of guests. 2225. Okay? If the number of guests is the same, meaning that 2225 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. Okay, so what is the answer? Right?
145. 445.
445. Thank you. 445. So meaning that if the thing is a uniformly distributed, meaning that this hotel should stay 445. This hotel should stay 445. This hotel must stay 445. This hotel 445. This hotel 445. If this one is a normally distributed, right? So this is mean by the what? This mean is the total of observation. Okay, be divided by total of n. So your n is how many hotel? Your n is the 5 hotel. So 5 hotel. So meaning that it should come to the 445. Okay, so this one is 445. So now, but we see here all is different. As I say, all these are just the statistics. We are take the statistics. Then now we want to see that is it of course they got the different, but got the different itself, is it significance or not? Alright, again we are talking about the is it significance or not? Alright, so that's why when we come to here, Kecil nak? So OI minus okay EI is jangkaan lah. So meaning that we are expected here. This one it will be our expectation EI. Okay, this one is our OI. Okay, OI. So now that's why when we come to here, you see that this is the EI. Get the 445. So you get the answer is like this. This one is I put it on the horizontal presentation. Horizontal presentation. If you don't want, you also can draw your own. Okay, actually I like is a vertical lah, yeah. Because this one for this example, you can see that I just put it down here. Because of only 5, as I say, save tempat because printing your book right now. Alright, so if you put like this, it's easier. Why? Because of you can keep on adding. You add because your book you're writing right now. That's why I prefer vertical. If I was a student, okay, I will if I were a student, so I will prefer to use horizontal because of I have no stress whether I enough space or not. I already know that I only need to reserve for 5 columns. Okay, so any figures I just add in add until it can coming down lah. So this one is the OI, this one is the EI. So OI itself is what? 02225. So this is the EI. So will be 4445, 4445, 4445, and so on. This one also I will get 2225. Okay, so next is the OI minus EI, and so on. Right. So let me see whether got something like this. Wait, like this. But I mean that is like this. Okay, OI, EI, OI, EI, OI minus EI square, and this one. Okay, the total itself here will become your test statistics. Yeah, your test statistics. Alright, so this will be your presentation. Alright, so now we are going to do the full questions. Yeah, the full questions. So when we come to here, we know that our chi-square, okay, chi-square itself, we know the degree of freedom and also the significance level. So because of once you have the degree of freedom, okay, so degree of freedom is what? N minus 1. Okay, this is the one. So your N is 5, so you get this one. Okay, this is the step 1, get the information. Alright, so then next you are going to see that you want to read, okay, how to get the 9.4877. So we go to the chi-square table. What 0.054. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright, here we are 4. Here, okay, 0. 0.05 4. So we'll come to here, this one. Yeah, get our critical value. Yeah, this is called the get our critical value. Critical value for what? For the chi-square for 0.05. So this is the figure is equal to 9.488. Yeah, page 282. Yeah, page 282. Okay, so we get the 282. Okay. So this is how you get this one. Right? So if you want to write the just now the explanation, so this why the critical value. Right? So okay, like for this one is I do it in terms of using the sketch diagram, picture to show my rejection region. Okay, I use drawing. Yeah, I use drawing to represent my rejection region of H naught. Yeah. So this one is a test statistics, as I say. Okay, this one is a presentation. I want you all to do the exercise now. Okay, practice. But I want you to do it uh, in the vertical type. Yeah, I want you to do your presentation. Do it now. I want your presentation is like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, so this will be what? OI, EI, OI minus EI. Okay. OI minus EI square. OI minus EI square divided by EI. Do it now. Okay, do it now. And then after you have finished, upload to the Padlet. Do it now. Yeah? Finish, do it to the
And then is it the one that is the hotel name one or the new question?
this question. This question
Or Oh, the same question now. Okay, okay.
As I said before, no point we do many questions if we don't have the passage. Okay, so we copy or we redo. I want you to redo, not copy lah. Okay, because that's why I say I want you to do it into the vertical type, like this. The output should be look like this. Yeah, I want your answer, your submit to the Padlet, the appearance, answer presentations in the vertical type like this. Okay, so we do it now. Do it now.
Doctor,
Yeah.
yeah, can I do it in Excel because I don't have paper?
No.
No,
Can.
okay.
Can. But
Okay, thank you,
Excel
Doctor.
again, you must show the data and you must show the formula. Yeah, you must have two lah. Okay, because that will be your working. Okay, do it now. If you're using the Excel, you must show side by side lah. Yeah, one is the data, one is the formula. But yet, if you are using Excel, you still need to show this one, yeah, all this, the formula, or you must show all the formula, yeah. I mean that you have to type in or you're going to write, yeah. Finish, then you upload to the Padlet. You are given 20 minutes, 20 minutes to complete this task. Right, another 2 minutes. For those who have finished, please upload. Okay, upload to the Padlet. For those who cannot finish, also upload to the Padlet. As I said, Padlet is just a temporary for me to check your work. Okay, it will replace that if in the class I will walk row by row, check student works, right? But now we are online. I solely depends on Padlet, yeah. So when you upload, then I will know that how far or what are the problems faced by the student. Of course, some of you will do like very complete, right? Perfect the answer. Some of you maybe just a few lines. It doesn't matter because this one is just a tutorial, right? Tutorial and practice in class, right? Okay, come we go to see your answer. Not this one, yeah. Sorry, not this one. Not this one. ANOVA, this one. Yeah. Okay. So now I just simply pick one. Just simply pick one. Oh, blur. I don't want to discuss stress. This one. Gather information. Uniform distribution testing. Okay, H0 distributions. Hotel guest is uniformly distributed across the 5 hotels. Okay. step 1, so you're going to alpha v phi minus critical value, refer to this one. Okay, so here you lost mark, you lost your mark rejection region. Okay, next, test statistics. Okay, you lost mark your formula, you are not seriously writing your formula. You lost mark here, minus mark here, your minus mark here. And then this one is what? I can't see. If your exam you come out like this, because when exam come, all is in the download mark. Okay, so I cannot see. So if I cannot see, so no point. So nothing to be discussed. All right. So next, I go back to take this one, Nasrin. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, step 2, distributions of the hotel guests is uniformly distributed across the 5 hotels. Okay, significant level, rejection region. Where is your rejection region? There is no rejection region. Okay, minus mark. Test statistics. I show you already, right? In the WhatsApp group also I have shared. Okay, in the WhatsApp group also I have shared. Wait, let me see. Share content. Where is it? Hold on. Google Chrome. Google Chrome is here lah. So the WhatsApp. Okay. So wait, right? So you didn't draw. That's why I say that I share a lot of things, but student didn't follow. Yeah, doesn't matter. This one is just a exercise. Yeah. Hold on. Wait. Where is it? Hold on. Search for the one. Yeah, this one. Okay. Share. This is the one. Just now I show you all. Okay. Okay. This is the one. You have to write the here. If the chi-square C more than this one, reject H naught. Or you draw this diagram. I hope you can see, right? So this one is for you to draw in the step 3. In the step 3. Alright, so therefore that you have lost marks, yeah? You lost your marks. Okay. So next. Chi-square. This one. Write down the C. The C here. I cannot unless I download. Okay, I download lah. Okay, I download. Okay. Download, show in the folder. Hold on. Open in the Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Open with the Microsoft Edge. Okay. Wait for a while. Open with the Microsoft Edge. Okay. So mine is an exercise. As I say that I highlight only. You will know that where you lost the mark. Yeah. It's a little bit slow. Okay, it's opening. Okay, so now I'm going to share. I don't have the pen because I use another computer. Right, I'm using the mouse lah to share content. Okay, I hope everyone can see. Number 10, Muhammad Nasrin Hakim works, right? So I try to use the mouse to highlight. It doesn't work. How come? Wait for a while. Okay. All right. Let's choose a red. Okay, this one, yeah, correct. Muhammad Tasrin, correct. Okay, the information, category, degree of freedom. Okay, good. Chi-square uniform distribution testing, good. Because we have a contingency, we also have the uniform. So this one is a uniform, or we call it as a homogeneous. Yeah. So this one is the degree of freedom. All right. Hypothesis. Okay, distribution of hotel have the cross sign is not uniformly distributed. Good. Significant level. Okay, this is the significant level. Critical value. Okay, this is the critical value. Then where is your rejection region or H now? You lost the mark here. You lost the mark here. Okay. So this one you use in the WhatsApp. Just now I have shown you the one. Yeah. Either you want to use this one. Okay. Not so good because I'm using mouse to draw. Okay. Alright. So like this. And then this is what? This one is a 9 point something lah. 9.48 something. Okay. Or you use the words. Follow the other wording. If the chi-square calculated, C is bigger than the chi-square alpha. Alpha is what? 0.04? Yes, 0.05. Okay, then reject H now. Okay, reject H now. Follow the image I sent in the WhatsApp. Reject H now. Okay, so only you get this one. Okay, step 4, test statistics. So this is the formula. Okay, this is summation. The mistake that just now did is he's using E. E is not the summation. That is a mathematical symbol. We cannot change. Alright, this is the symbol of summation. You must follow. Okay, exactly. Actually, it's like this. Xi equal to 1. And then your n equal to what? Your n equal to 5. Actually, it should be like this. Right? It should be like this. This is the complete. But I still accept except for those that are writing like this. For the totally out. Minus mark. Alright, so this one, okay, you write down the formula. Okay, this one is not this one. This one is not like this. This one is the calculated C. C. Alright, so this is the one. See, XC. Alright, XC, and then this one, and this one. Okay, done. So this is the working. Okay, Kasturi, OIEI, OIEI, OI. This one, good. Okay, then this one is right down, this is the summation. This one, summation, total lah. Okay, this one don't need. This one not related. No, you want the extra, it's okay lah, but no meaning lah. Alright, all we want is this one. So this one is this one. Let's say that this one is 10 marks. So straight away you get 10 marks. Normally, like the chi-square, ANOVA, the table itself, or roughly it's about 10 marks, 15 marks, something like this. Depends to the figures lah, yeah. So step 5, since this one is 4 in the rejection region of H now, therefore we have evidence to how do you mean that it's 4? Okay, it's good that false is better that you draw. Okay, you draw, for example, okay. So this one is a 9 point something. Okay. So we take it down here. This one is a here lah. Here one is a okay. This one is the 22.188. Yeah. Okay, it's somewhere here. So meaning that is then also is 4 in the rejection region of H now. Okay. Alright, good. Alright, so roughly like this, let's say that Nasrin, I just give a rough and figures, the marks that he gets. Okay. So okay. So number 6 he didn't do. So 6 normally 6 is Miss C. Step 6 is normally is 3 marks. Okay, 1 mark. And then up another minus 1 mark. Let's say that is 20 marks. So he get 15 over 20. He lost 5 marks. Can Nasrin do or not? Nasrin is the father, right? Sorry, yeah, Muhammad Nasir Hakim. Okay, can Nasrin do or not? Yes, he can do. Okay, but unfortunately, a small careless mistake or to say that the unaware, okay, the unaware, that's why that he lost 5 marks. Okay, all right, good trial, good trial. Okay, so now we go to see the next student answer. Wait, that's why we need to discuss lah. Okay, next is the one I'm back. So I choose okay, who is this? Kelvin Lau. Okay, let me see. Okay, okay, almost okay, at least not so bad lah. Okay, if can proper draw nicely lah. Like this, dia dapat markah. Okay, reject H now. Okay, reject H now. Okay, alright. So summation formula got, the number got, he also got. Okay, good. Alright, since the say is 4 in the rejection region or H now, therefore we have evidence to reject H now. Okay, good. The results show that the hotel guests for the 5 hotel are not reject. Is not uniformly distributed at 5%. Therefore, for those hotels which have less guests, need to revise their hotel. Okay, you got the recommendation, you got the advice. So like this, just have a glance like that. I think Kelvin deserves to get the 20/20. Okay, so he has almost the thing lah. Okay, statistical with the competitors. All right, so basically it's like that. Okay, so next we go to see another student. Another student. Okay, this one. Wow, so neat. Okay, so cannot bigger. Cannot bigger. I think it's enough lah. Because we just now the answer that I shown you, the one is unintentionally has get lesser marks. Another one is can get the full marks. But I still hope that your writings in proper follow the WhatsApp image. Alright, that one to put into your step 3. Okay, the step 3. Okay, basically it's like this because we have others question to do. So I stop this one. Oh, I have to log into my another computer because the other one I lost the actually I lost my Padlet password. I try to this one also never mind. So I leave the Padlet here. So you wait for a while, yeah. I go to log into another PC.